Hey guys, hope you're alright. So let's get straight into it. Today I made a bunch of mistakes. I didn't trade my playbook and I paid for it. So I'll explain what happened during the trade. So let's see. So this is the first trade that I took. We did close the 30-minute candles above previous day low, and we did claim the New York view up the 24 EMA and we breached the 1 hour average. So now I entered this scalp here with the invalidation below the 5-minute low, and I place my take profit close to New York open. I'll speed up the trade. So let's see what happens. So we went higher and I got filled. So that was an easy trade. So right now we backtested the 24 EMA and I should have entered a bit lower, but I entered quite high here. It's pretty far. It's more than 40 ticks away. I think it's 80 ticks away. My entry from the 24 EMA and one overnight low backtest. But yeah, I entered here nonetheless for a quick scalp with the trend. We're forming a triangle, so I just went with the triangle in this upward move, and I won the first two trades. So this is the third trade that I should have taken, and I didn't take this trade because I was afraid that we're going to reverse here. We were in a balanced day, and I thought that we're just going to reverse here and we're not going to hold 24 EMA. But nonetheless, the playbook states that we're one time framing on the 5 minutes. We closed the 30-minute candle below previous day low at this point, and we're back testing the 24 EMA, and my stop should have been here above these local highs. And yeah, I should have taken this trade no matter what, but I didn't. And let's see what happened afterwards. So we reject from the 24 EMA. You saw that I measured the tick size of the trade and I didn't take it. So now we got the reaction from the trade, and that was more than 100 ticks even on this first move here, but we're continuing to get the reaction. And let's see what happens. I enter here out of FOMO. Why FOMO? Because I saw the move, I saw the reaction, but my entry was so late that it didn't justify me entering here. I should have just accept that the trade is lost and not trade anymore at this point, and I didn't. So I was, I think, $60 in profit from the previous trade and this trade, the first two trades, and now I lost $20 in this trade. So right now I lose this trade, and yeah, I'm around $40 or $50 in profit. And let's move forward. Again, I take this trade again. Same trading idea, same everything. I just targeted the lows and my stop was above the highs. And if I let this trade play out, it would have played out, I think, because yeah, not entirely, but my stop wouldn't have been hit right here, and I would have just gotten another reaction towards the daily low, and maybe I would have placed my take profit, my stop loss to break even, and I wouldn't have lost the trade. But yeah, so yeah, I lost two trades. The first two I won. The following two I just like didn't want to accept that I missed the move, and I just entered in bad places in the chart. So yeah, I lost those. And now I entered this trade because we backtest the New York view up here and we get a nice reaction. We close above the 8 EMA and we also front ran the 24 EMA. We're one time framing on the 5 minutes. So this is a trade that resembles my, what do you call it, my 35-1 rule playbook. But the problem with this trade is that you can see here we closed the 30-minute candle below the previous day low. So this trade was not entirely up to the playbook standards. I didn't respect all the rules. We didn't have a 30-minute close inside previous day price action. So yeah, let's see how this trade unfolds. So this is ES chart. ES is also struggling to, let me show you again, to close above the previous day equilibrium here with the 30-minute candles. It closed two 30-minute candles below the previous day EQ and the previous day value low. So that's indicative of imbalance, but we are not seeing selling imbalances at this point. We're seeing a 5-minute market structure change to the upside, but yeah, the 30-minute is also pointing towards lower. So yeah, back to NQ. So here is NQ. NQ hasn't closed any 30-minute candles above previous day low. We did change market structure on the 5 minute and we're backtesting the New York view up. And right now I consider this a good trade, a good place to enter my trade. So I enter here, and yeah, I am in partial profits for a little bit. I think twice in these trades I've been in partial profits, but I did like right now. I didn't place my stop to break even because I didn't hit my take profit one. So yeah, this was, you can see here, price struggling to claim the previous day low, and actually prioritized tier 2 levels over tier 1 levels. I prioritized the backtest of the New York View Up and 24 EMA over the fact that we didn't close above the previous day low that many candles. So we only closed 1 minute candle here, and then over the past 10 minutes we didn't close any 1 minute candle above. So that should have been a warning sign for me, but it wasn't. So yeah, twice I've been in profit, and then yeah, I just closed the trade, and I lose this trade, and yeah, this is how I lost. I hit my daily loss limit for today. So I started with 2 wins, and then I missed my playbook setup, and I chased it, and I got burnt twice chasing it. And the third time I didn't respect the playbook. It wasn't a 35-1, it was just a 5-1. And yeah, I didn't even get a 40 tick day profit in to put the stop loss to break even. So yeah, that trade was a loser. And it was also with 4 micros, and the first couple of trades were with 1 and 2 micros. So the last trade was with bad risk management. But yeah, nonetheless, I messed it up today. So hopefully tomorrow I will respect my rules more strictly and in a better way. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.